Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you something really cool. We're going to create a full advertisement video, the kind you see on Instagram, YouTube, or even on TV. But here's the twist. We're going to make it completely using AI. No camera, no actors, no expensive editing software, just you, your laptop, and a few smart AI tools. Now before we start, let me explain in one simple sentence what an AI ad actually is. An AI ad is basically a video advertisement where the script, the visuals, the voiceover, and the editing are all created using artificial intelligence tools instead of doing it the traditional way. That's it. Simple, right? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank screen to a finished, ready-to-post ad video. We'll use Claude for writing, Google Flow for planning, Nano Banana for generating images, Higgsfield for turning those images into videos, and ElevenLabs for the voiceover. And to make this super practical, we're going to build a real ad together. Our example product today is going to be a premium coffee brand. Let's call it Morning Brew Coffee. Cool? Now before we start, one quick thing. I've put this entire workflow, every single step and every exact prompt I use into a complete step-by-step PDF guide so you can build your own ad without rewatching this video 10 times. It's free and it's waiting for you inside my WhatsApp community. The link is in the description. Go grab it now, then come back and follow along. Let's get started. Step 1. Opening the AI tools. Alright, first things first. Let me show you where to go and what to open. We're going to use 5 tools today, and the good news is all of them work right inside your browser. You don't need to download anything heavy. Open up your Chrome browser and I want you to open 5 tabs. Don't worry, I'll walk you through each one. In tab 1, go to Claude.ai. This is where we'll write our script and generate our ideas. You'll need to sign up with your Google account or your email. It's free to start. In tab 2, go to labs.google.com/flow. That's Google Flow. You'll log in with your Google account here. This is where we'll plan our entire ad scene by scene. In tab 3, open Nano Banana. Now quick note, Nano Banana is Google's image generation model and you can access it inside Google's AI Studio or through Google Flow itself. So if you're already logged into Google, you're good to go. In tab 4, open either Higgsfield.ai or Runway.ml. Both are amazing for turning images into videos. Pick whichever you like. I'll show you both. You'll need to sign up with email here too. And in tab 5, open ElevenLabs.io. This is for the voiceover. Sign up with your email and the free plan gives you enough credits to make your first ad. Once you have all 5 tabs open and you're logged in, you'll see clean dashboards on each one. Don't get scared by the buttons and we'll only use what we need. Got everything open? Good. Let's move on. Step 2. Idea generation using Claude. Okay, now jump into the Claude tab. You'll see a simple chat box that says, "How can I help you today?" This is where the magic begins. We're going to ask Claude to give us a powerful ad idea for our coffee brand. Now here's the trick. Most people give bad prompts and get bad results. So I'm going to give you the exact prompt I use. Copy this. Act as a senior creative director at a top advertising agency. I want you to give me 5 unique scroll-stopping ad concepts for a premium coffee brand called Morning Brew Coffee. The target audience is working professionals between 25 and 40 years old. Each idea should have a strong emotional hook, a clear visual style, and feel cinematic. Keep each idea to 3 to 4 lines. Paste that into Claude, hit enter, and watch what happens. In a few seconds, Claude will give you 5 different ad ideas. For example, one idea might be, the world is dark, one light flickers on in a kitchen, a surgeon, a writer, a firefighter. Each alone, each pouring, no dialogue, just the sound of coffee, and the title, some people don't wait for the world to wake up. See? Cinematic, emotional, clear. Now, did you notice something? We didn't just say give me ad ideas, we told Claude what should to be, what we want, who the audience is, and how it should feel. That's the secret to good prompts. Pick the idea you love the most. For our example, I'm going with the 5:47 AM club concept. It's relatable, emotional, and visually strong. Step 3. Script creation. Now that we have the idea, we need a script. A script is basically the words and actions that will happen in your ad. Copy and paste the idea which Claude generated. I will go with mine, 5:47 AM 1. Stay in the same Claude chat and type this prompt. Now turn this idea into a 20-second ad script. Break it into 4 scenes. For each scene, give me the visual description, the voiceover line, and the on-screen text. Keep the tone warm, hopeful, and cinematic. The voiceover should feel like a friend talking, not a salesperson. Hit enter. Claude will now give you a clean 4-scene script, something like this. Scene 1, a kitchen light flickers on. in total darkness. Scene 2, quick intimate cuts, a surgeon lacing up shoes by a dim lamp. Scene 3, rich dark coffee filling a ceramic cup. Scene 4, pull back wide. See how short and powerful that is? 20 seconds, 4 scenes, 1 feeling. Step 4, visual planning with Google Flow. Now switch to your Google Flow tab. Google Flow is like a digital storyboard. Think of it as a big whiteboard where you plan every scene of your ad before you actually create it. This step is super important because it saves you hours of confusion later. When you open Flow, click on New Project. Now you'll see a clean workspace. What we're going to do is create one card or one frame for each scene from our script. Since we have 4 scenes, we'll create 4 frames. In the first frame, type the scene description from Claude. A kitchen light flickers on in total darkness. Steam rises slowly from a kettle. Outside the window, nothing but black sky and a single distant street light. Add the voiceover line below. Add the on-screen text. Repeat this for all 4 scenes. Why are we doing this? Because now you have a clear visual map. You know exactly what each scene needs to look like, what the voice will say, and what text will appear. No guessing, no jumping around. This is what professionals call a shot list. And trust me, this one step will make your ad 10 times better. Did you do that? Great. Now we're ready for the fun part, actually creating the visuals. Step 5, image generation with Nano Banana. Time to bring our scenes to life. Open Nano Banana. Now here's the rule for image prompts. Be very, very specific. Don't just say a person drinking coffee. That's boring, and the AI will give you something generic. Instead, describe the lighting, the camera angle, the mood, the colors, even the texture. Let me give you the exact prompts for our 4 scenes. For scene 1, type this. Cinematic close-up shot of a digital alarm clock showing 5 a.m. Glowing red numbers, dark bedroom in the background, soft moonlight coming through the window, moody atmosphere, shallow depth of field, shot on 35mm film, photorealistic. Hit generate. In a few seconds, you'll get a beautiful, moody image of an alarm clock that looks straight out of a movie. Try this for each scene and get the images delivered. Save each image to your computer in a folder called Add Coffee. Keep them in order, scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4. Step 6, video creation using Higgsfield. Okay, now we have 4 amazing still images. But an ad isn't a slideshow. We need motion. This is where Higgsfield comes in. Let me show you on Higgsfield since it's the most beginner friendly. Open Higgsfield and on the dashboard click on video. Upload your first image, the alarm clock scene. Once it uploads, you'll see a text box that says describe the motion. Here's what to type. Slow zoom in on the alarm clock, subtle flickering light, gentle camera push forward, cinematic slow motion. Set the duration to 5 seconds. Keep the motion intensity on medium. You don't want crazy movement, just a gentle cinematic feel. Hit generate. In about a minute, you'll get a 5-second video clip where your still image is now alive. The clock glows. The camera slowly moves in and it feels like a real movie shot. Repeat this for all 4 images. For scene 2, the coffee pour, type smooth top-down motion of coffee being poured, steam rising naturally, slow cinematic feel. For scene 3, the person at the window, type subtle smile forming, gentle wind in hair, soft camera push, warm sunlight intensifying. For scene 4, the product shot, type slow rotating camera around the coffee bag, soft light flare, premium product reveal. Download all 4 video clips. Did you notice how each motion prompt is short and clear? You don't need fancy words. Just describe what you want to move and how. Step 7. Voice and audio with ElevenLabs. Now we need a voice for our ad. Open ElevenLabs. On the dashboard, click on Text to Speech. You'll see a list of voices on the right side. Male, female, deep, warm, energetic, all kinds. For our coffee ad, we want a warm, calm, slightly emotional voice. Browse the voices and pick one called something like Adam. You can pick any voice that matches the mood you want. Now, copy the voiceover lines from your Claude script and paste them into the text box. Make sure to put each line on its own with proper pauses, like this. Some mornings feel impossible, but all it takes is one sip to turn the day around. Morning brew, wake up to better. Adjust the settings. There's a stability slider and a clarity slider. For a cinematic ad, set stability around 50% and clarity around 75%. This gives you a natural emotional read instead of a robotic one. Click generate, listen to it. If you don't love it, try a different voice or adjust the settings. When you're happy, download the audio file. Step 8. Final execution, putting it all together. Alright, this is where everything comes together. We have 4 video clips, 1 voiceover, and maybe some background music. Time to combine them. You can use any free editor for this. I recommend CapCut because it's free, easy, and works on both desktop and mobile. Or you can use DaVinci Resolve if you want something more professional. Open CapCut, click Create Project. First, drag in your 4 video clips in order, scene 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. They'll line up on your timeline. Next, drag in your voiceover audio file. Place it on the audio track below the video. Line it up so the voice matches the visuals. Now drag in your background music, lower its volume to about 20% so it doesn't overpower the voice. The voiceover should always be the loudest thing. Now click Export, choose 1080p quality and MP4 format, hit Export, and in a minute or 2, your ad is ready.
Some mornings feel impossible, but all it takes is one sip to turn the day around. Morning brew. Wake up to better.
So, what does your final ad look like? You now have a 20-second cinematic advertisement. It opens with a moody 5 a.m. shot, builds emotion as the coffee is poured, peaks with that beautiful sunrise moment, and ends with a clean product reveal. Voiceover guides the viewer through, music sets the tone, and the best part, you created all of this without a camera, without a studio, and without spending money on actors or editors. Now, where can you actually use this ad? You can post it on Instagram Reels, just resize it to 9 to 16 vertical in CapCut. You can put it on YouTube as a pre-roll ad. You can run it as a Facebook ad for your own product. You can use it on your website as a hero video. You can show it in client pitches if you're a freelancer or agency. Same ad, different platforms, just resize and reuse. Okay, let's take a quick breath and look at what we just did together. We started with a blank idea. We used Claude to generate the concept and the script. We planned every scene in Google Flow. We created beautiful images with Nano Banana. We brought them to life with Higgsfield. We added an emotional voiceover with ElevenLabs, and we put it all together in CapCut. That's a complete AI ad, start to finish. And now you know how to do it too. Here's my challenge for you. Pick one product you love, maybe a brand you use every day, maybe a small business you want to support, maybe even your own idea, and create one AI ad this week using exactly these steps. Drop it in the comments and tag me. I'd love to see what you make. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more AI tutorials like this, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.